Zombies! Sneaking up! I'll kill the lot of you! Too fast for you, zombie! Open fire! Don't hit me unless you want to be hit. Hand! We got a confirmed possession over here. Zombie in range.
Everything is a threat! Stop that! Ah! Oh, someone kill it, please!
Contact. Unleashing hell.
Someone's gonna die! Who needs a gun? All of my strength! For naught!
Another one. Hostile sighted. Firing at will. This was a good idea. Never stop firing. Dead man walking. Fire at will. I see a zombie. Sir, shooting him, sir! Yeah, what the? Ow! My head! That's not a human. snow, grim and grisly, is the way you're going to go. Gonna die real soon.
Someone's gonna die. I don't care anymore. We've got a problem. A big problem. Oh, no use, security. Hey, stop! Hey, out! I don't care anymore. Now it's your turn. Oh, I don't want to die this way. How'd you like this? It's eating my brain.
I've got it all worked out, dead man. Once I kill you, Maggie's heart will be mine. Oh, broads love it when you kill for them. Let's end this. Mono a mono, just you and me.
And me.
And me. And me.
They've got me. I don't care anymore. Hands off me. No use, security. Hey, stop! Hey, out!
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Well, look who's come crawling back. Mr. I don't need a guide bot. I'm just going to run around eating brains so Guidebot gets stuck answering phones. I was just chatting about you with the central computer for the U.S. military. Apparently there's an airstrike on the way, but I'm sure that wouldn't interest you. I'm heading out now. Beat the rush, you know. Would you be a dear and tell Mr. Monday he's got 5 minutes before the whole town goes up in smoke? Thank you so much. Don't hurt me. Don't eat my brain. It's all I've got. Help! Andrew! Somebody! Oh my... Those eyes. That nose. That tie.
Mother! Get back! That thing has destroyed my whole city, and I won't let him do the same to you.
Don't do this, Andrew.
Get out of the way, Mother.
I love that zombie.
Excuse me?
It was a
hot summer night in 1933. I was just a girl.
Yes?
He was quite a man. I couldn't resist his charms.
Come inside.
Everything was real sweet until Father got home. He dragged my little Eddie out, and that was the last I saw of him. Until now. Father never told me what happened to him. But 9 months later, I had a little something to remember him by.
Are you telling me my daddy was a traveling salesman who eats brains?
Oh, Andrew, try not to be such a pill.
You destroyed my city. You killed my family. And now I suppose you want to kill me. Well, go ahead. Go ahead and try, Dad!
Aha! Well,
Someone's gonna die! Stop that! Oh, someone kill it, please!
there's one of those undead beasts! More! On my fist!
I don't need shields
Now I'll
anyway.
show you
You're the
what
one
my
who
pot-
needs
Oh, God! Not like this! I think there's enough of this being real!
Who needs a gun when I can do this? You'll pay for that! How'd you like this? I don't want to die this way! How'd you like this?
Oh my God, it's a zombie!
Ooh! It's touching! It's touching my mind!
That's a zombie at work!
I've never been to Paris, I've never been to Rome. The outside world's not what I'm thinking of.
I'm happy just to stay.
I'm happy just to stay in my new futuristic home. 'Cause Punchbowl's where I want to fall in love.
To fall in love.
Friends will talk of travel and places that they've been.
I try to
I act as if I care to be polite.
I wonder if they'll ever know
the wonders that I've seen in Punchbowl, where my lover keeps me warm at night. You can feel the magic when you walk down any street. The smiles of cheer that will appear on everyone you meet. When everything is automatic, you'll always find yourself ecstatic. Then true love will make your life complete. Don't ask me if I'm staying, I never want to leave.
This
city's built to fit me like a glove.
Now every day's a holiday.
Each night is New Year's Eve. 'Cause Punchbowl's where I want to fall in love.
To fall in love.
'Cause Punchbowl's where I want to fall in love.
To fall